Hey everyone, on this video you get to see a successful retail arbitrage visit. I never really get those because the retail discount stores around my area don't really carry great brands, but I had a successful trip and I wanted to share it with you guys, so if that sounds interesting, just stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I go by MSAWEBB, and I am a reseller on apps such as POSHMARK, eBay, and Mercari, and I have stuff up on Etsy. Haven't made a sale yet, but stay tuned. On this channel you'll find everything dealing with reselling, from hauls to what sold, and some tips and tricks along the way. Today's video is a new one for me. I am doing a retail arbitrage haul. If you don't know what retail arbitrage is, I'm pretty sure I'm saying that word correctly, is when you go to like discount retail stores, so such as TJMAXX, Ross, outlets, or anything like that. You buy things for their discounted clearance price, and then you flip them on sites such as eBay, POSHMARK, Mercari, what I just said a minute ago. I've never done one of these videos on my channel because our stores around here, so we do have 2 TJMAXX, 2 Rosses, and 1 Marshalls. Yes. They don't normally have the greatest of brands, so mostly what they carry is Tommy Hilfiger, Calvin Klein, a lot of Lucky Brand, and occasionally other items, but they don't ever really discount them that much. I know when they have these big red tag sales, you'll see a lot of videos of that when that happens, of people that go and everything's like $5. The past 2 years I've done that, and that has not happened at our retail stores. Okay, anyway, so there's normally not a lot of potential inventory at these stores. I do frequent these stores quite often because that's really the only time I buy things, for retail price is at those stores. I don't really go to a lot of actual stores. What am I trying to say? The brand stores. That's what I'm trying to say. Just because, after taking up reselling, paying full pricing's crazy, but are just crazy expensive, and I don't have that kind of money. Okay, so like I said, usually they're not good. They're not stuff that I would resell, but the other day I popped in because I had some children's birthday parties to go to, so I wanted to buy some things to take to that party. It started as I was distracted by the purse section because they had Dooney & Bourke and Kate Spade, which they never have. Now I sent pictures of Kate Spade to my friend who's in love with Kate Spade, and I looked at the Dooney & Bourke because that's who I'm in love with. I'll insert a picture of what I got right here. I actually bought this purse for $85 and it retails for I think $235, so I was pretty happy. Nice summer purse. I actually counted it. I have 20 Dooney & Bourke bags. I need to quit. I take that back. It's 19. I just sold one of my bags. Okay, so anyway, after that, I just kind of went through the store, checked out the clearance section, and I found some good brands that I actually enjoy reselling. So I was really excited. I'm going to show you what that is. I'm going to give you, I already took the TJMAXX tags off because I already checked to make sure, I can make my money back. But I will let you know what they retailed for, or what I bought them for. Now, if you like this kind of video and reselling content, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can come back and see more of my videos. First thing I bought was actually for me, and I guess it could be reselling because it's reselling tools of the trade, I guess you could say, and that is a reusable bag. So this is an awesome reusable bag they had there, and it is I'm assuming for Pride, just because Pride is this month, and it's heart with the rainbow. It doesn't actually say anything about Pride, but I'm gonna associate it with that, with this drip paint, which I love. If you didn't know, I was an art history major in college, and this really speaks to me and I love it, so I got it. And also it was only 99 cents, so I was pretty happy with that purchase. First 2 things on top are 2 pairs of jeans, and they're actually by Athleta, and as you can see, Ross and TJMAXX and all those stores normally cross out the brand so you don't try to return it to the retail stores. They are size 0, but they are new with tags, obviously, and they are the Sculptec Slim Straight Jean Agate watch. Agate wash. But yeah, I mean, zero is a hard sell in my opinion, but I was like, if I found these at the thrift store, would I buy them? Because they were $4, by the way. Yeah, I would. So why would I not buy them at TJMAXX? Brand new with tag. So got these. It's actually 2 pair of the same pair of jeans. And so yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. I think they're both a size 0. Anyway, gosh, size 0, teeny. Anyway, actually, I think one of my nieces might be a size 0. So if they don't sell, I can give them to her. Although she's a teen, so these aren't very distressed. So she's probably not into that. Anyway, excited about those. Next was a cool find. It was $3, and it is Anthropologie. So it's by Anthropologie. So it's not a brand they carry, but actually by Anthropologie, which I think is only a recent thing they've started doing. But I believe it was only $3 because it's not, I mean, it was new with tag because it had the TJMAXX tag, but it did not have an Anthropologie tag on it. So it's a size medium, and it's just this hot pink kind of lightweight knit sweater. So I got it. It's kind of oversized, so worst comes to worst, I can wear it. And I'm just now noticing I don't think it has a care tag. Well, anyway, that's fine. $3 for an Anthropologie, obviously newer piece. That's good. I'm still excited about that purchase, even if it doesn't have a care tag. Okay, Teddy, don't play with that. So it is nighttime. Not that that really matters, but I am drinking wine, and I'm drinking it says Let's Get Slothed. A friend of mine got this for me, and another friend got me these. Thought it was really cute. Yeah, anyway, so enjoying wine. All right, so this is also the first time I have found this brand in TJMAXX, and it is Madewell. I know a lot of people are not picking up as much Madewell, but new with tags. I think this was $3, and it's just this floral peplum bottom top. It doesn't say what it, oh no, it does say that. It's $92 retail. So yeah, I mean, it kind of seemed like a no-brainer to me. Super cute. I mean, like I said, I would pick it up in the thrift store for more money probably. So why not pick it up? Oh, it's silk. That's so weird, because like this doesn't feel like silk to me, but there's another dress coming up that I could have sworn was 100% silk, and it's not. Okay, so Madewell and J. Crew and all those brands will tell you when they were made on the so there's the care tag, and then the bottom little tag will tell when they were made. This is holiday 2018. Also has the style number, so I can have a quick look up. Anyway, thought this was really cute. Also, by the way, I did already look these up on POSHMARK, and it was not oversaturated with tons of the same item, and it had sold well in the past. So that is why I decided to keep all these. I actually did purchase something that I returned the next day, which I returned today, and it was a Rebecca Taylor dress. I loved it. I thought it was beautiful, gorgeous, 100% silk Rebecca Taylor dress. I think it retailed for like $298, or estimated retail. But Rebecca Taylor, I mean, it does well, but for what they had it priced, I think it was like $30. I don't know how big of a profit I would have made, and I've been burned by Rebecca Taylor. Like, I've gotten really great pieces in the past, even new with tags, and it just takes forever to sell. I think it's really cute, but I guess it's fallen out of fashion right now. I think it should make a comeback because they're cute, but we'll see. All right, next is actually an Aerie piece. It is cuffed pair of overalls that have this floral cherry stitched pattern. I wouldn't normally pick up Aerie, and this is actually not new tags. The only new tag was the TJMAXX tag, but it's an extra large, so worst comes to worst, I could wear these around the house because I probably wouldn't go out in overalls because I'm in my 30s, but I could wear these if they don't sell. But I think they're cute, so I kept them. Yeah, so excited about those. And also I think they were like $3, so honestly, if I found these at a thrift store for about $4, I would still probably pick them up. So, okay, next piece is another Madewell piece, size 14, and it is this cropped floral cami top. Really cute, has like this button detail on the front. All right, so it was priced $70 retail. I believe this was $4. Anyway, it's really cute and plus size, so that's great. Well, 14, yeah, I guess that is plus size. Okay, yes. Speaking of Madewell, so I found 3 sweaters, which this is one that I really hesitated on because I was like, oh, there's already 3 of them. This is probably really oversaturated. But I was like, really, honestly, again, if I found this at a thrift store, new with tags, and these were $5 a piece, would I purchase them? Yeah, I probably wouldn't even look it up. You know, I was like, it'd be a no-brainer to buy it. So, like, why am I hesitating? So, I have 2 of this one color. So, this is Madewell sweater, knit sweater. And it has these balloon sleeves. Really cute. And these are a 2X. Both of this color is a 2X. And it doesn't have its estimated retail price. But I don't know, this is super cute, and I mean, wear one of them oversized if they don't sell, or I could just give them as gifts next year. But like holiday 2018, so again, not too old, like very cute. I really like this. Like I really like this, and especially love this mustardy color. I mean, who doesn't love a good mustard color? Why are you obsessed with my new lip gloss? No. No. You know, I bought you balls and like toys and really right now. There she goes with my lip gloss. Whatever, she's being quiet now. Okay. Here's the other of the exact same top and a new tags 2X as well. And then I got the same sweater but in a gray, and it is an XXL. Wouldn't that be a 2XL too? But anyway, XXL in the gray. Also doesn't have the estimated price. I'm assuming again from holiday 2018. No, this one is fall 2018. That's interesting. But yeah, just the same balloon sweater. Really cute. Like it a lot. So I was happy about those. I think that's the last Madewell piece. There might be one more, but anyway. So yeah, those are like, I just had never found Madewell around here. So that was cool. Next was the only J. Crew piece I picked up. It's this 100% linen button down top. It's like a coral color, and it is the Barred McNutt. I don't know. It's Irish linen for J. Crew. It's the perfect button down. And it is a size 10T, which is another reason I picked it up. 10 tall. Tall pieces do really well, which is funny because petite sizes don't do as well. Anyway, so 100% linen, and it was spring 2000. Can't say that. Spring 2018. Pretty cool. I like it a lot. That will be going up. Next is a piece I might actually keep. It was, I think it was $4, and it did not have the brand tag. It did have the TJMAXX tag, but so I can't really advertise it new with tags. I guess you could do new without tags, but it is not a brand, I don't think. So it's Smokey the Bear, only you, but it's only you can prevent forest fires. I just thought that graphic was really cool. It's a large, so I can keep it if no one buys it. So I like it. Really cool. That'll be up in my POSHMARK closet. And, you know, a lot of these things you'll notice, well, especially the last couple, are winter and fall items. I buy stuff all year round, list all year round. Not a problem for me. Next was, okay, so this was $2. And it is a knits, like high neck sweater. Really cute. Has really, like, you can't even tell, but it's got like a neon threading in it. But it's by a brand called Rue and Willow. So I looked this up, and of course a lot of people on Poshmark and other sites have it marked as Anthropology. which seems to be an easy go-to for people. But I can't really find any backup that this is, or support that this is sold on Anthropologie, because I've looked at brand list sites and Anthropologie itself, and it's not listed. And of course, it does not have the RN number, which is 66170, which is Anthropologie, Urban Outfitters, and Free People. So I can't 100% guarantee this is sold at Anthropologie. If you can tell me it is, please let me know down below. It is acrylic, nylon, wool, and cashmere. Oh, that's nice. So I did find stock photos that I'll insert here that do look like Anthropologie stock photos, but I don't know. Not 100%. Worst comes to worst, I just don't advertise it as an Anthropologie piece. And it is also a large. Again, doesn't sell. I can wear it. But I like that. And what did I say? It was like $2 or $3, so no brainer. Next up was, this is actually probably the first thing I found in the clearance section, and why I kept looking, is this Bowden piece. I really like selling Bowden. I know sometimes it doesn't sell for other people, but it is a US 8. By the way, be very careful with Bowden. So the newer Bowden pieces will have the US and UK sizes, but the older pieces will just have a size, and typically that's the UK size. But anyway, new tags, of course, and it is a jumpsuit. So it's a floral, it's gonna be hard to show, so I'll insert a stock photo. Floral jumpsuit with these wide leg kind of, not gaucho, maybe palazzo pants legs. Has pockets. The top part is polyester, but the bottom is a silk blend. Really pretty. Has a zipped back, a hidden zipped back, and like a keyhole. It's just really cute. This was $10, and I think I looked it up. It's not on here, but it is retailed for like $150, something like that. I'll insert, but pretty excited. This is already up on my Poshmark closet for $125, I believe. Yeah, these last 3 items, or well, that's one of them, but last 2 other items are also already up on my Poshmark closet. So next is probably the most expensive retail piece that I found. It is a off-white blazer by Joie, and I don't actually pick up a lot of Joie anymore. But I did pick this up, and it is an off-white blazer, as I said, 1-button blazer. It's 100% linen, which is good, and it's got this embroidery on it. And I'm guessing this is the newer Joie tag, because the next piece is also Joie, so you'll see that tag too. But anyway, so estimated retail on this was $430. I did pay a little bit more for this, but nowhere near $400 something. And it's listed, I think it's listed already. It's listed already in my closet, and I think for about $150. So pretty excited about that. Oh, and it's a size 10, and it's called the Laura Lee oversized blazer. Last retail arbitrage item is this Joie. And this is what I thought was silk, but it's not. Joie dress. And it's got this flora and fauna print, which means, you know, it's got like a floral with insects and butterflies on it. This is the other Joie tag. This is size 4, new with tags, and it is 100% viscose. Not silk, but feels incredible. I love it. High-low hem on insert a stock photo. So this is already listed in my closet, and I think it'll do really well. So all right, guys, that is my first successful retail arbitrage trip. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it down below. Let me know if you have success retail arbitraging. I'm pretty excited that I said that correctly, in your area, and the most exciting thing you've ever picked up. But yeah, guys, I will see you guys in my next video. It will probably be a what sold, and then after that will be a haul. I tried out a different thrift store in my area, not a Goodwill. So anyway, if all that sounds good to you, I hope you come back and see me again. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.